Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TP-Link Tapo T310 smart temperature and humidity sensor and you need to change the battery. So this is a real easy thing to do. The hardest thing to do is to just actually get the battery. It's a CR2450. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can order one. But anyways, all you need is a paper clip or a pin or something, just nothing too sharp that could damage it, because you will need that to pop open the battery case on the back of the thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in underneath. You'll see there's a little pinhole. I'll show you here. And you're going to put it in and pop the battery case open. You'll see this is a view from the back. This pinhole is at the bottom. You'll push that pinhole there and that will release the back, and then you will be able to access the battery. You can use that same pin to kind of pry the battery out and then put the new battery in. And just keep in mind, make sure you put it in as shown here, which is the positive side of the battery facing out. And then once you do that, then you can put the back on and the battery has been replaced.